Welcome back.
It's Parens of the Dead.
It's the very 19th episode.
Welcome.
Welcome to you too, sir.
You're most kind. Okay.
Yeah, let's get moving. So we're in the middle of punching shit.
Yes, that's true.
And the last time we only did a little bit of design and a little bit of domain work, and now we'll try to connect it to stuff. So the idea is that when you're done rolling your dice, you'll click the zombie to indicate basically that your turn is over, or you're done making.
You're rolling dice and you now want to punch this zombie.
I made all the decisions for my turn. My turn is nearing its completion. Please let me know what happens. Yes. So we'll add a new action that we can call
Finish turn.
Finish turn. Because that's basically what the user is doing.
Yeah, it's completing its turn, finishing its turn by clicking on the zombie.
And this will lead to a whole lot of stuff that we won't cover in this episode, because it will lead to using the dice. The zombies will do some stuff. Yeah, lots of things will happen.
Yeah, for sure.
But we'll try to use the punches. That's our first goal.
And I think there has to be, we have an Actionizer. And the Actionizer adds zombies. So the zombie is like a click target. So this one needs like an action.
Yeah, cool.
We also have actions on our rerolls. And there we call it OnClick. So let's just continue with that.
Yeah,
calling
sure.
it OnClick.
OnClick.
So my biker zombie should have an OnClick action, which is finish turn.
Yes.
And then maybe like a target. Target is zombie 1.
Yeah, sure.
We could do just as finish turn zombie 1, but
no, don't
it feels
do that.
better to...
Yeah. It's too restricting because we might want to include other information there later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
that's fine, because you don't want the game to decide how the punches are dealt for you.
That's true.
Yeah.
So now I had to add it to 3 tests.
Yeah.
And why?
Because those tests are just looking at the entire data structure.
Exactly. And I don't want that. I want like some sort of adding zombies. That's fine.
Yeah. One that looks at the entire thing, and the rest of the test can look at specific things.
Yeah, because this is a lost hearts.
Yeah. So then you can actually just do your thread. Yeah, perfect.
I'm going to do something I never do, which is first. Oh no, it doesn't work.
No.
I have to do first, last, hearts.
Yes. If you work with the atomic, you get to do first a lot.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes.
So does this still run? There's an... we didn't...
we haven't really fixed the feature, but do the other tests.
Yes, I will do away with this one. Exactly. So this one is... Oh, this is the layout thing, what we call the balance hearts.
Yeah, balance hearts.
And again... Okay, I will do... Yeah. I will be happy with just one of these. First, last, hearts.
Yes. Perfect. Good. And now you can add in, so now we only have one test to busy work our way through. Okay, so I'll do this. So this happens where? In prepare. This is event actions.
I think it's actually prepare zombie.
Yeah, that's what I thought. So he just has, or she has OnClick, finish turn, target, and then is it just ID?
I think so. Excellent.
Yes. So, okay, pretty good. The next step is to, we don't need to see this in the browser because it's not going to do anything.
It's true, but we could wire up the OnClick handler and see that it works.
Oh, yeah, we can. Okay. So here's the zombie, and we'll just do, this is the position. We'll do here, on click, on.
You got to write the same thing 3 times.
I can live with that. So we should see it on the WebSocket here then. Where is it?
I think you will get an error message, or at least I hope so.
Oh, okay. So I'll hold this one. Oh, why am I doing this?
Yep.
Boom.
No matching clause, finish turn.
I agree, sir. So this is coming from perform command. Okay. Perform command. So we probably have a test for this as well.
I hope so. There it is.
Yeah, here we go. And yes, okay, perfect. Perform command.
Finish turn.
Finish turn. Okay, so what does that do? Perform command.
I have a feeling we are going to get a lot of these.
Yeah.
So we just write it out naively now, but I think we're going to need to filter some stuff in.
Yeah, definitely. Right now, I'm just calling. Just wanna. So here you have this. Okay, it looks like this. Is that finish turn? So we need some zombies in the game. Otherwise, nothing will happen. And what does that look like?
We haven't tested it. Oh, we don't actually save the zombies.
There are no zombies in the game.
There are no zombies in the game currently.
So let's fix that first then.
Yes.
Because
we have an added zombie event. We just don't implement it.
Ah, here you go. Okay, so that's just...
Write the test first.
Yeah. Added zombie. Yeah, no test. Def test. So, okay, we're not going to be able to animate stuff in the browser today.
Oh, that's true.
But we'll get there eventually. So, update game, add zombie.
Added zombie.
Yes, because this is an event thing has happened in the past. So, update game. And just an empty game. Just put it here. And it says added zombie. Like this.
Yes.
And now I'm going to be very smart, SMRT, and say zombies.
Okay.
And I guess we want to make them addressable as well.
Yes.
Ida zombie. Okay.
Yeah, that looks great.
Boom. Fails.
So now I get to do the Soch in game.
Yes, the very exciting line of code that everyone's been waiting for the past 2 minutes.
This should be it. So now we have zombies.
Yes.
And it looks...
my test at the bottom of this file is...
Yeah, it looks like this. And we have... Let's see. Zombies.
Yes.
So if I finish my turn and I have a target zombie 0... What are the commands? What are the events that I expect?
Oh, right. Yeah, because
perform commands.
I was thinking like, boy, a lot of things are going to happen now, but we're just going to calculate the events.
Yeah.
It's so nice to split things up. You don't have to solve all the problems at once.
It's true.
So the events will be, I guess it'll find all the effects from the dice and then perform an event per type of effect.
Yeah, so it
will be like punch, heal.
So it's a punch. Effects are punched zombie.
Yes, and for that to happen, the dice needs to have some faces.
That's true. So we're going to do faces.
Yeah, and current face 0.
Current face 0. Okay, so it's going to be punched for 1.
Yes,
and I will add some health to the zombie as well. I think. Let's see if we have.
I don't think you need that here. Because you only need to know which zombie you're targeting. Doesn't matter.
These events are in the past.
All right. Okay.
So they're going to be used to actionize and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So I'm going to add the biker here.
Oh.
So like this.
The feared biker zombie. Yes.
It's very scary.
Naturally occurring in the dead streets of New York.
So we have a punched zombie event. And then it needs some information. It needs enough information to actionize it.
Yes, and to update the game later.
Yeah.
So it needs to have the
zombie ID.
Zombie ID, yeah. Who received this package of delicious punch?
It needs some damage that is being dealt.
Yes, and so yeah, already here we can imagine some more tests coming in later. And it needs to know what dice are involved in this.
Yeah, the die IDs, which is die 0. And it also needs the max and current health of the zombie in order to update the balanced hearts.
Right. So it needs the health.
It needs the health. So I'm going to do max 8. And now we have like a choice. Do we subtract the damage here or not? I think not, because we are going to like actionize it by taking away one heart at a time.
Yeah. And also this is kind of captures the situation at the time of the punch.
Right before the punch.
Yeah. One damage is being dealt to this health. Yeah.
Okay, I think this looks good.
This looks good. So I will go over here and we'll have finish turn. That's in the alphabet over here. And it takes some opts.
Yeah. Opts.
Sure, man. Game opts.
Yep.
And I will do this. Yes. So I'll just try to do this as simply as I can.
Yeah, do that.
There we go. Okay. So let's give this test a name. Punch a zombie.
Yeah.
Shirts will be printed. Okay. Then I'll add another one, and this will be more targeted. But
do we need it now? Oh, did you already run the tests? Okay.
Yes.
Cool.
Cannot punch a zombie beyond its available.
Okay, let me try another one because we're short on time.
Okay.
Cannot punch an existing zombie.
Okay. There will be quite a few tests for this because this is at the heart of the logic of the game. Yeah,
for sure.
Cannot punch an existing zombie. Okay, so if I try to punch,
just remove the zombies from the map.
Great call, man. And then we just get a
empty list.
Empty list. Yes,
because we are running.
We are running into the cliffhanger of your life.
So I'm going to do.
You want to do when let at this point? Yeah.
Yeah, sure. When let zombie get in game.
Because you're going to use that zombie.
Zombies. Sure. So now we have a red line to remind us what we're going to start working on next time.
Okay, so remember to apologize to the loved ones you punched last week.
Yes,
for
sure. Profusely.
Profusely.
See ya.
See ya.